let me explain you that how we can create the selection screen. So just go to the T-code SE38. This is the ABAP editor. Now create a new program, ALV selection screen. Create. Here you have to pass the title, ALV report. Now you have to select the type, executable program, save. You can use the local object. Okay. Now you have to write the syntax to create the selection screen. Selection screen, begin of block B1 with frame title text 001. Okay. Now you have to close this block. Just put your cursor here and then Control D. It will copy the same line. Okay. So now I will close this block. Just put point. Block B1. Okay. So now here we are having two input parameters. Select option. Just press tab. It will copy automatically. Okay. So now as let me take the banner. Banner is for accounting document number, and for select option we take 4. For BKPF dash banner. Now you are using any table. You have to declare that standard table here using the keywords tables. BKPF. Now save. Okay. So we are having two input parameters. Select option, and parameter. Okay. So these are the two parameters of selection screen that is used for multiple input. Okay, and that is used for single input on the selection screen. So what is the syntax for parameter? You have to write parameters, then P. Let me take for company code BUKRS. So here we will use type BKPF table name dash field name. So field name is BUKRS. Okay. So I have taken two parameters here. Balner is for accounting document and BUKRS is for company code. So I am using parameters for company code and select option for accounting document number. So for good practice, always write the commentary accounting document number. Then next parameter is company code. Okay. So now just save it. So now activate it. Click on the execute button. Here you can see this is for multiple input. This is the select option, and this company code is for single input. Okay. Now how to change the field name? Go to text element selection text. So how to change the text of this parameter? Here I will use company code, and this is accounting document number. Then slave active. Okay. Now go back and activate. So we have changed the name of this parameter, selection screen parameter. So this is your selection screen box. This is the block. In this block, we have declared select option, that is accounting document number, and company code, that is the parameter. Okay. So this is the way you can declare a selection screen.